Look what we got here. Jimmy, you ready to open it?
Yeah. Parts we need. Oh, we got staples.
Oh, there's staples.
Oh, yeah, there's staples.
Beautiful. Yeah, but it's gonna be a 20-minute video. You opening this box.
I know. They got it packed in there good. What else we got in here? Alrighty. See what we got.
Some brake parts, huh?
Brake parts, steering shaft.
Well, we was about to bolt some parts onto this car, but as you can see, it's pretty dirty, so I'm gonna give it a quick pressure wash, and then we'll bolt some new parts on it. Fancy, ain't it, Mickey? Oh no!
I'm gonna do this whole thing.
Take it home with you.
I ain't taking it home.
Yeah, somebody probably wants it. Well, as you can see, it's starting to dry. Jimmy's been hard at it.
Yeah, hardly at it.
Hardly at it.
Hardly, yeah.
Got a few things took off of it.
Still a long way to go.
Still a long way to go, but progress is progress. Just like 20 bucks is 20 bucks. How's it going, Mickey?
Let's go. Almost done.
Well, hopefully the hood will clear, huh?
It should.
If not, you did all that work for nothing.
Cut up all the stuff that we needed.
What you working on, Jimmy?
Oh, we're rewiring the nitrous controller.
Yep.
Time before we went to Tulsa, the controller screen took a crap on me.
About to be back in business, huh?
Yeah, we got a new screen in. This old junk.
Damn, what's all that grass doing in your wheel?
I don't know, someone had to mow the yard yesterday.
Some
I can't help it if it's here, I keep it here.
some asshole put grass all over it.
Ain't worried about it.
Well, while Jimmy's over there doing that, I'm gonna get started on this car, see if I can't get all this rear steer stuff off of it, because we're gonna use rack and pinion whenever we put this thing back together. Well, as you can see, got that old stuff off here. I think I'm gonna cut these old booger welds off, get rid of these brackets. That one. And Jimmy's over there being noisy. I'm trying to make a video. Boots and shorts, Mickey. That's when you know you're here to party, huh? Checking toe on Jimmy's rig here. He said she's a little twitchy on the nose.
He's definitely towed way out.
Says towed way out.
Mm-hmm. Way out.
Yeah, looks like we got some alignments to do, huh?
Yep.
Well, I got those ugly things cut off. Now I just got to give her a little bit of paint. She'll be looking a lot better. You living the dream, Jimmy?
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
Having to do some modifications, huh?
Yep. Small hole, moving it.
Looking good, Jimmy.
It don't look terrible. Plugging holes.
Putting lipstick on a pig and plugging holes.
That's right.
Got the master cylinder bolted on. It's looking sharp.
Brake pedal in there, it's hard to see it.
Brake pedal is in. It is dark in here, but yep, that's gonna be sweet looking. Well, I didn't film it, but took the old Ford here out for a rip today to test out the new coolant reservoir. And I'll be damned if the limited slip didn't take a shit on us. So I'm in the process of pulling it out. Probably gonna just stick a full spool in this thing, or mini spool I mean, but anyways, this is what we got going on. Just look at it. That damn thing. All right, as you can see, got that thing tore apart. I got the axle out. Counted this 27 times. It is a 30 spline axle. Now I just gotta get on Dollar General's website and get me a mini spool on the way, I guess. Hopefully they have some. If not, I'll have to go Walmart, get some great value mini spool. But yeah, got it apart now. Just gotta order some parts and we'll be back in business with this old girl.